What's up, guys? How's it going? We're going to bring back the Road to Bimmerfest series this year. We're going to make it 100%, whether the car's done or not. It'll be at Bimmerfest. So I want to do a quick walk around of the whole car, and we're going to see what we're going to change, and we're going to see what we're going to keep. So start with the exterior. We're going to go with I think it's Grupo Bavarian body kit, so wider fenders. There's a lot of dents on the car, so there's no reason to try to fix them. Might as well just cut them out. And add a wide body. As for the front, we're going to go with a M-Tech 2 kit. Probably a rep kit, not a real kit, but it'll work. We might change out the headlights. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how that goes. Definitely going to have to change the wheels. I don't know what I'm going to switch them to, but you know, but after I get the body kit, then we'll switch to that. For paint as well, not exactly sure what color I should paint it. Put it down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go for the interior. Keeping the bronze suede seats. I'm redoing the center console and the dash, so those are for sale if anyone wants those. That comes with the dash, Condor Speed Shop delete plate, glove box, and the full center console minus the Intellitronics gauges. That video is supposed to be up last week, but I still haven't finished the install, so hopefully next week that video will be up. I did just place an order with Pesch, or P-E-S-C-H Motorsports overseas for a new dash and a few other things. So when that comes in, hopefully in the next month or so, I'll make a video on that. I'm also changing out the door cards. So these Macabre Motorsport door cards are also for sale. I like them. I'm gonna try something else. If I don't end up liking the new stuff I get, I'll probably buy another set of these. So the front and rear are for sale. I will be switching to a Garagistic bolt-in cage, so the Braum racing harness will also be for sale. Not until I have the cage ordered. As for the rear seats, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Either put some seats in or make a rear seat delete. If you guys have any ideas, put it in the comments. As for the shifter, definitely changing that out for a Garagistic solid mount. Just waiting for the right time. And yeah. Also for steering wheel, let's go to the other side of the car. So the steering wheel, I have this deep dish, which I'm not the biggest fan of, so I have another, like a flat dish coming just to test out from eBay, some cheap wheels, and then I'll buy a nice steering wheel. Always buy cheap stuff until you're ready to buy the nice stuff. Other than that, let's do the engine bay. Not much is going to change in here, unless someone wants to sponsor me with a turbo kit. That'd be cool. We'll probably add some panels and clean up some wiring, but that's about it. Do have these Shadowline Motorsports headlights, LEDs. They're great. Check them out. I just finished making an update install on the Chase Bays filler neck, so go check that out. But the car's been running great. Really excited to be going to Bimmerfest this year, but the car just needs to look a tiny bit more complete than it does now. And I'll try to be posting an update every week of progress done on the car. Don't know if it's going to be major progress or small progress, but we'll try to get it done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.